Hello guys, once again welcome to my channel. Now I just got verified some minutes ago. Now I want to show you how to migrate this you're earning here from your mining to your wallet here. So to do that is very easy. How to migrate your Rubi that you have mined after being verified to your wallet. You click here, this point on statistics, here this point on mining, sorry, then click on statistics. So you see statistics, it shows you all you have mined. This all I've mined 64.01. Personally I was mined 58.12 Rubi. My group, my members of my group. And if you want to be a member of my group, it's very easy. Check the link in the description comment section to join. Now Rubi is like a pie. Once this, now if people are already selling it, even they're selling it, you can sell it. Like for me, to do verification I had to buy 5 Rubi, but I eventually used only 3, and my verification was done in less than 10 minutes after I filled all the necessary forms. Now once I want to show you how to migrate. So you can join my group. Check the description or the comment section, you see the link, and join and start mining. Let's go. Now I want to show you how to migrate. So you click on this user verified, you click on user verified, then you see that you see migrate. You click on migration. So it asks you how many do you want to migrate. 100%. What you want to migrate? I want to migrate. This wallet version is under construction. For security, please do not migrate greater than 100 units. So let me just migrate, like say let me just migrate 10. It's just for tutorial purpose. Then I click on apply. So 10 has been migrated. So let me go. Then I click on the back arrow here. Then I go to my wallet here, down here. Then as you can see, it has migrated. So like I said earlier, I had 2. I bought 5. I used 3 for verification. I had 2 left, so I migrated 10 now. So I have now 12 RBL here. I can start to sell. I can sell. I bought one for 300 naira as at yesterday when I bought it, the 11th of March. So I can decide to sell 300 naira per one at the moment. Some people say higher than that or lower than that. So guys, this is how to migrate your mined RBL to your wallet. So guys, you can see if I click on my histories, click on histories, it's loading up. You will see 10 migrated, 10. So that's how to migrate, guys. So if you find value in this video, click on the comment section and start mining Rubi, and share this to your friends so that you can help them to migrate. Bye for now, see you in the next video.